I'm meeting with Oblivion. He just got a G80 as well. He's been wanting to see mine. He also wants to go airsofting today. We're gonna pull up. I'm gonna have David come with me, some of the homies. Like I said, I think we're going airsofting. I don't know how I'm gonna film that, but I'm gonna try my best. And I'm also gonna show him the G80, see what he thinks about the G80. Maybe give him a ride, maybe let him drive manual. I don't know if he knows how to drive stick or not, but it'll be funny. So, and let's do it. I've never been airsofting, by the way, so I'm kind of scared, low-key. You ready or what? For real? You're not scared? Yeah, we polished the hood.
It's just nice, bro.
You like it? Just don't play like Call of Duty, food. Because if you do the same skills in Call of Duty,
I might get banned?
yeah, I'm not gonna be on your team.
Got cherries.
How you saying in Spanish?
Gel. Cherries.
You gotta teach me, food.
Spanish. Cherries.
For real?
I swear I think it is, bro.
Well, I think Oblivion is setting us up, guys. Where we at? There's nothing here. This is the address he sent me.
Call him.
It's hella dark. Hopefully we can film. Oh my God, I gotta go off-roading? No one told me this. Good thing we got David in the car. You bought the van?
How about that?
We gotta watch the car. I'm really off-roading with some B-locks and slicks.
Paintball airsoft. I would love paintball, bro.
Fool, I'm scared, I'm not gonna lie.
It's just gonna hurt.
It's gonna hurt, huh? The car's dirty, our shoes are dirty. Oh, David, this thing's for sure gonna need a wash right now. Bad, brother.
You ready or what? Hey, I could drive this after?
Drive it. You know how to drive manual?
Hell no.
You can try it.
Me?
I'll teach you.
Yeah.
But it's hard. That shit gotta upgrade the clutch, so.
What upgrade the clutch to that?
It's like super stuff.
What's up, bro? David, bro. Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, like stage 2 clutch.
Wait, how much horsepower is this running?
It's probably like
Chad, is that a good car?
7 something.
That's it, 700.
That's it. That's it. It looks cool though. You wanna see?
What other cars do you have?
I got an R8 too. I wanna show you that one.
Chad, is it a good car, Chad?
The R is hard. Like titanium. It's all titanium, carbon, all that shit.
But it's your car?
You're doing it to yours, right? What? Bunch of crazy.
Yeah, like I mean, mine's pushing 850, I think.
Chad, is the Nissan a good? Here's an X drive, right? The whole drive?
Yeah, extra.
Here's the weight pass.
For real?
This is manual and rear wheel drive.
Chad,
Watch that.
It's not that fast.
Let him feel it.
me and you can race for the peaks.
I'm down. I don't even got the pink.
Should let him at least feel the clutch, see how it feels.
I know he's gonna be like, he probably won't.
He's probably gonna think, all the cars are like that.
For sure. What do you guys think? Do we let him drive it?
Let's do it, that should be funny.
I'm scared. We'll do it after probably. But for sure it's dirty, David. You need to watch it, brother.
Bro, it's gonna be bad, huh? How does it look?
Shoes, bro. We came in the worst. What about you? You came in some nice ones or no?
I came in Jordan 4s.
Bro, I came in white shoes. White
Are those
brand new
your-
shoes.
Yeah,
You're for sure paying for these after.
You think it hurt? You think it hurt?
You think I'm laughing? This is a 180, bye.
Are they really?
Yeah, 180.
Those shoes are like $10.
He's like 500.
Fuck, your teeth are 10 bucks. Hey, you got a badass tire, bro.
Let's check out.
Yeah, Safeway.
This is the first time we've seen it, huh? Like with the tire?
Yeah.
Huge on.
Like what? Like what? Like no huz? Like no huz?
Oh, it's all carbon on the top too, huh? Everything?
No, come on. You think he's poor? Come on.
What do you think this is?
Broke ass day chest, bro.
The strap, David.
That shit's gonna hurt. We need a Craig.
Greg?
Yeah, we need a Craig.
The scar? My boy's strapped up.
It's a real gun.
Really?
It's not fake, it's a real gun. It's a real gun.
You think so? Where's yours at?
In the car.
Go to the range.
Actually,
There's no mag in it. So
David said, oh, hell
if you
no.
want to pull the trigger, go for
How much to rent this one?
it. That one's my personal one.
That's why. So how much do I have to send you?
I'm not sure. It's got to be resurfaced right now, so it's not working too well.
For real?
Hey, Juan, bring one. I need the green one.
It's gonna be more dumber down now, bro. David, I still wish you could hit a lick right now. Right there, look, the ATM. Let's take it or what?
It's full auto's a little unfair out there at the nighttime, so we're doing semi-auto.
Wait, no full auto?
No full auto for the evening.
David's gonna turn that shit on.
But yo,
I'm scared, guys.
I'm gonna go over just the safety of the
wanna
guns.
get hit.
This
Is that like
stays
a
on.
condom for guns?
Basically, some people call it a barrel condom, so it's either barrel condom, barrel plug. All
I don't
those-
use condoms. I
those
use
things.
Yeah, go raw. We go raw here, bro.
Wait, you have 6 kids? Nuts!
Right here.
I don't know how I'm gonna be able to film this. They don't got filmers. We don't
Hey,
got
so how do you
filmers.
put it on?
You don't want to play. Let me film for you.
Have a vlog.
You should vlog like one game. Alright, here, David, I got you. So David's gonna follow me around for one game, and then we'll play the next game. Guys, I put my camera in the car because I am not trying to break my lens like even more. No, don't touch it right now. Let's not get kicked out yet. Oh, hell no. This is what David does on Call of Duty Warzone, and he dies first. Oh my.
Hey,
But-
stop, bro.
One, this fool's gonna push, food, and die, bro.
Bro, this shit does hurt, bro.
I know it is gonna hurt. I'm telling you guys. Oh, shit. That shit hurt, bro. Ah,
Sorry.
bro, one just shut my leg. Bro, that hurts so bad.
Are you
bro.
serious?
I swear I'm not joking. It hurts.
Nah.
Yeah.
No. Don't do it. Don't do it. You gotta do that. You gotta do it. I'm off guard.
Let me see.
No,
Let me see.
no, you're not. Oh,
Let me
bitch.
see.
Stop. Stop. No, I'm not gonna.
Bro, I'm dying, bro.
Stop.
Okay.
I'll put this bitch in full auto.
The pressure already hurt?
Bro, I'm not kidding. It hurt, bro.
Shoot me here.
I'm not kidding.
Right here.
No. Let me try.
We look out for each other, right? Mostly. I don't got a scope on this shit. What the
No friendly fire.
No friendly fire. You know, if you guys need help, let me know. Hey, everyone get each other's legal cards, right? If we die together. If we win together.
What do we have to throw hands?
We throw hands.
You ready to throw hands or what?
I throw my hands.
Oh, they're right there. Bro. David, this shit's scary, bro. I don't want to get hit. Oh, this spot is OP, bro. Bro, this spot is...
Oh, she's there.
Hey, bro, watch this. I'm a full out of this thing. This is tripping. Did you get shot?
But no, I got shot in the face.
Really?
But that
Bro,
shit
I didn't
bounced
get
off.
shot at all, dude.
Well, I got shot bad right here.
Really?
I shot this fool. I'm kidding you.
You shot David?
Get him ass.
No way, bro.
The best means don't shoot.
Some people got
Best.
messed up, dude.
I have no idea.
Bro, her arm's bad, bro.
Thank you.
Was it fun? It's fun, huh? We should come during the day one day.
The guns just hold on. The guns just jump too much, huh?
We should bring our own guns, man.
Like the Glock? Like the real gun? Guys, my shoes are done, bro. Look at these little pokey things on me. But these shoes, oh, they're done.
Sports Plus?
Yeah. You've never driven manual?
Yeah. Hold on.
Oh, you have?
Yeah.
So you know to drive manual?
Yeah.
Oh, he's driven. He doesn't know how to.
Nah, hell yeah, I know how to drive manual.
No.
Why you laughing?
We'll try it right now.
Wait, what does live fast mean?
Oof.
A la verga.
My lip.
Wait, what does live fast mean?
Live fast.
Oh,
it's like
shit.
my little brand.
And you could get that shit on there?
Nah, everyone thinks it, but it's a sticker. You know why I did it? Like, watch. It's like when it's like this, you see the speed, and then like this, that hides it when I'm making videos and stuff.
Oh.
But everyone thinks it's like in the screen, but it's a sticker.
Yeah, I thought it was in the screen.
You like it?
What the?
But your shit's gonna be crazy too, watch.
You think?
Hell yeah. The X drive is just way faster.
Wait, yours is what, 85?
Yeah. It's like E40, but it's like a mix.
E40?
Yeah. Like I put a little bit of 85 and a little bit of...
I love it.
It's crazy though. Bro, this road is messed up, but I think you'll be able to
Check
do
the
it.
highway, no?
Yo, someone shooting at us, bro. Someone shooting at us. Wait, try the highway?
We can try
Hell
it.
nah, hell nah. Let's just try it right here.
You want me to show you the basics?
Huh?
You want me to show you like the basics?
Nah, I think I got it, bro.
You feel how to put the clutch all the way.
Where's one at?
This, bro.
Third.
Alright, so
Third.
like, there's one's like that.
One.
I think you have to put the clutch in more.
The clutch is
all
it?
the way. Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then two's here? 3?
2, 3, 4, yeah.
I love it. Go.
It's already broken, bro.
Deadass? I broke it.
It's because the clutch is upgraded, so you gotta like really push that shit. Like,
Okay. I love it. Go.
I'm put it back in for a second.
yeah, go second, put the clutch and go.
We're second, bro. Help! We're second.
That way, that way, that way, that way. Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, yeah. There you go. Wait, I should've.
I love it. I got 5.
Let me do this real quick.
How?
There. I just want to turn the traction off a little bit. 4? Yeah. Just be careful.
I love it. Go. Fuck, man.
Bro, imagine.
I think it needs 2, bro.
Try go 2. Let go. Hey, you got it, bro. Be careful on the turn.
I thought the clutch was a brake, I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, you got it, bro. I thought you were gonna know how to drive it. It's just pretty fast, huh?
I'm in neutral. Get me out this car, bro.
How is it manual? It's cool?
Hell no.
No?
Fuck
Bro.
no. Get me out this, bro.
It's different, huh?
You really gotta know how to drive, bro.
Nah, you're not doing bad though, bro. You actually
Nah?
got it. I
Okay.
swear.
Okay, so let me keep going.
Just be careful. Around the turn, that shit will kick out, bro, because it's rear wheel drive. Your shit's all wheel drive, so it should like go all the way down to the left. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Am I doing good?
Yeah, it's perfect, bro. Are you really doing it? Oh!
Like that? Chat, am I doing good or bad, chat?
Woo! Go to first.
Oh, look at it.
Touch it and then go to first. Oh my, bro, this clutch is dumb. Dude, I can smell that. You want me to drive it?
Yeah, bro, look.
Let me drive it back. Fuck. Just go right here. Go right here.
He burned up his clutch.
Bro, you smell that?
What that mean, bro?
That's his clutch.
What the fuck is that?
That means you don't know how
It's
to shift.
done.
It's done?
It's done.
You owe him a new clutch, bro.
The rest?
I think
Wait, how
that-
much is one of
let's
these?
take cars.
What you mean?
Huh?
How much is one of these?
What,
The clutches.
For like 2 bands.
2 bands?
That's nothing for you. Those 2 flames you want to see.
Actually?
Yeah.
Hey, why is it burning this?
No way this shit's broken, bro. No, I'm be honest, you did good.
Hey, we saw some flames.
A little bit, huh?
Yeah, a little bit. That shit hurt my ears.
I know. The door shut?
You don't be getting like state reft and all that?
Hell no.
No? How?
You just gotta, I feel like you gotta know where to do dumb stuff, you know what I mean?
Oh, you have one of these?
Yeah, you need
These
that.
actually work?
Sometimes.
I just hate how you have to damn.
Yeah, you gotta like shit. It's not as fast as yours, but
It like gets stuck, kind of, right or
yeah. And you can see the R8 too, bro. That shit's insane.
not? Yeah, you have one. How much was it?
I like to drive that. It's
How much
like,
was it?
Like 140.
140.
Yeah.
Allah.
What's your other like dream car?
Urus.
Yours? That'd be hard. Like a wide body one or something?
Damn, Manstry or a 911 GT3.
They're not that fast though, but they're
They're not fast.
nah. But your G80 will smoke it.
My G80 will smoke a
Yeah.
Porsche.
Mm-hmm.
That ass?
I swear.
How? I thought Porsches are fast.
They're faster in like around corners and turns and canyons and shit. A racetrack, that shit will probably beat you. But
Oh, okay, okay.
but on the freeway, it's not fast.
Nah, that's just fire. Thank you, my boy Nick. Hey, W's in the chat for my boy Nick. I appreciate you, bro. Hey, we got. Yes, sir. Hey, we gotta do that. We gotta do when I get my car, bro. I'm gonna go to Car Me on Saturday. He probably gotta take it to the shop, bro, cause I fried the clutch.
I think the clutch is done.
Nah, but hey, that's all you though.
Clutch is Hey, thanks though.
Yes, sir, bro. Thank you. Allah. Why does this car shoot bullets out of this? Why? Why would you want to drive a car like that?
All right, we just made it home, but guys, the G80 is cooked, bro. Look at the interior. Oh my God, dude. And the clutch? I don't even want to talk about it. And my camera? I don't know if this is a good idea, chat. My camera got dusty. My car is disgusting. The clutch is beat. I'm so sorry, G80. You didn't deserve all that. I was over here off-roading the Mickey Thompsons. Oh my God. Oh, this thing needs a car wash. It definitely needs some more self-tappers on the side skirt. I hit the lip too super hard. I just don't know where. I don't know how this lip is still intact. Like, how have I never broke the lip, bro? That's the first lip since I got the car. This thing definitely needs a wash. Probably need to clean the intake filters too. The interior is bad. You guys saw it? Even in the back seats too. Look at this. Oh my God, dude. Usually my car is super clean. This is probably the worst it's ever been. But I told David, please come and help me wash the car. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. That was insane. Shout out to my boy Oblivion. Was it a bad idea that I let him drive the car? Maybe a little bit. The shoes, oh my God, totally forgot about the shoes. The shoes are cooked. Also, being with all those streamers, it really got me motivated to stream, guys. I don't know if you guys know this, but I bought the streaming phone and everything about, bro, probably like 6 months ago I bought that streaming phone. Or longer, it might have been like almost a year ago. I bought the phone that everyone streams on. And I was told myself I was gonna start streaming, I just haven't done it. But I was talking with Dandy about it. I was talking with everyone, I'm like, I need to start, dude. Like, I really need to just start streaming. I know that's the wave now. Everybody, damn it. I know that's the wave. Everybody's starting to stream. Not that many people. Actually, I don't think anybody really is doing it like in the car scene. So it's a whole new thing. I should jump on it now before everyone starts doing it. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try to do my first stream within the next couple of days, I think. We're gonna try it. It's just gonna be a whole new thing I gotta learn, but I think I'm up for the challenge. It should be fun. If you guys want, go right now and follow the Twitch. My Twitch is FindingNick. I'll leave a link down below in the description, but just go follow me on Twitch just so you guys are ready for the stream. So I'm definitely gonna start streaming, guys. I gotta do it. I gotta do it for you guys. I know a lot of you guys have been asking too.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.